fibers, QPH fibers, and we received 1 kilowatt blue laser output from the connector. To have the good brightness of 1 kilowatt blue dyed laser, we must have good brightness of the submodule. So from our special optical design, we restrained 90% power within 0.14 Na to guarantee the good brightness of submodule and also 1 kilowatt blue laser. And we all know that blue light laser tips are very sensitive to the environment. So the most important thing and tricky thing is that we develop a special mechanical design which can not only keep the tips away from contamination and to maintain the long lifetime, but also have compact size, which is customer oriented. After the combination of 7 submodules, we finally received 90 combination efficiency and received 1 kilowatt blue laser output power from our system. Here on the left side, you can have a glimpse of how the blue dyed laser 1 kilowatt system looks like. It has 4 wheels beneath the system, which is very handful for our customer to use to move and to assembling or install in their own system. Moreover, we also do the burn-in of our 1 kilowatt blue dyed laser. We can see from the graph, over 1,000 hours aging, our blue dyed laser system show good, stable and reliable output power performance. And our application department also do some very interesting experiment based on this blue dyed laser. From this video, you can see how the welding system looks like and how the application experiment has been done. Here I collect some results of blue dyed laser manufacturing with different velocities and different metals such as copper, aluminum, and stainless steel. From the cross-section picture, you can see the multiple shape are very beautiful, and the penetration depth can reach 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is quite enough for our industrial customer to use for their production line. And we also do the dissimilar metal junction processing by this blue dyed laser. We can see the connection between copper and aluminum are quite well. If you are interested in those experiment results and videos, please feel free to contact BWT.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.